Hi, Padraig here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 221 Toyota Corolla. This is the hybrid Luna Sport demo model, finished in silver metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180. It's NCT exempt up until 2026. It's sold with the balance of manufacturer's warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the LED daytime running lights with front fog lights. It's got the 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres and very clean bodywork all around. It's got the fold-out wing mirrors. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold-down seats, additional space also. There's plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides and centre armrest and cup holders. It's finished in a half leather and a grey cloth interior. It's got the front armrest also. It's got the push button start. It's got electric windows and electric mirrors. Automatic headlights. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone controls and the cruise control. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It also has the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the dual climate control with air conditioning. USB and aux port. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It's got the auto-dimmed rear view mirror. It's also got the car SOS function. And there's 14,575 kilometers on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thank you very much.